Today I'm going to be showing you how to deal with a Ozito, maybe it works with other brands too, vacuum blower mulcher, but particularly the vacuum side of it where the bag is crap. It just is full of holes, it falls apart after a very little amount of time, and it costs about $30 to replace it. So I've come up with a more efficient, cheap solution, which I'll demonstrate to you now. We take one of these green shopping bags, recyclable. We put it on, we fit it around the end of the shopping bag. Make sure you pull the handles out, like so. Pull it tight and mark where it is, and then cut a hole through both sides here. With this small hole, you're just going to put a bit of thread through. And then out of the top of the old bag, I've pulled the thread. Again, pull this off here. I'll put the thread through first. Make sure we get through the holes. And just make sure we've got it all in the right spot. Okay. Pull this tight. I need to tie it off. Didn't tie it. Done that right? Okay, so as you can see now, we've managed to tie this on tightly around here. We can tie off the excess. Then I'll just take some pegs, put that, correction, we need to fold it over the top to make sure it forms a seal, and then we peg it down. Let's use the peg so we want to be able to open it up again once it's full. And then finally we need to cut off the handles near the end where the blower blows into it. So, alright. Finally, we'll insert it into our I'll put the back on. Okay. Okay, so just the last thing we need to do is to bring the end of the straps together, measure them out the right length, and we will just staple put it in place. We now have our new bag. Let's see if it works. Just get the power. Alright, moment of truth.